So don't despise the day of small beginnings. I preached in the woods, I preached in the shower, I preached in the basement, I preached to animals, I preached to crickets, I preached to roaches before God gave me people. Don't despise the day of small beginning. You don't get paid in the practice, you get paid for the performance. My first business deal was to take walnut hulls and boil them and turn it into dye and sell it in mason jars for a quarter. I was 8. Saying a day or saying today, you can eat it, but I don't.
Yo, life theories, this nice delivery got me rated. Banana berries and smooth metallys overdate. Yeah, I'm more than faded, drifting off in the 5 series. Cool like rollerblading, feel of fresh air, we like next day airing. Still the best pair like your first set of earrings. Yeah, wait till you get here, it's gon' click like time sharing. All praises be, thought you knew you was God-fearing. When
it was time to man up, coming from the sandbox. Man, we had to find out where. We the illest tandem, isolation fandom, side by side like Hov and yeah, them guys will stand up, breaking through your sound box at any time of day. Look at what the brand of, now we in the skybox and we floating through the airwaves.
But look at life, used to stay up late, watching Nick at night. Now we booking flights, staying in B&B's, it's 5 at night. People move funny with business, I let them see my wife. Cause she don't take nobody, she swear she always right. Yeah, we living life, but dim the lights. I don't do but lay the pipe when it's late at night. Bragging about how they took a life, but that's never nice. Till that karma catch back to them and then they pay the price. We was always nice, never scared to join the safe. Studied OGs like Tip Jarobi, Ali and Fife. Everything been cinematic like we signed a Johnny Shice. Gotta earn your stripes, ISO been a prototype.
It was time to man up, coming from the sandbox. Man, we had to find out where. We the illest tandem, isolation fandom, side by side like Hov and yeah, them guys will stand up, breaking through your sound box at any time of day. Look at what the brand of, now we in the skybox and we floating through the airwaves. We floating through.
You see the proof like this here the truth, right? We ain't that spoof type, bringing in that true light. This ain't that goof hype. You know it's 2 types, the good or the bad. Why don't you pick you a side? The yin and the yang, just to balance out the vibe. I put some 4Gs on it just to show a different ride. Used to put 40 up and now it's double just a cop. It hit different now since we got up off the block. Since we got up off the block. Been implied, cause we ain't never stopped. You done know.
The saga of Exodus is built around the birth of the Old Testament church. So anytime something is born, something has to die. Moses has come to emancipate them from 400 years. The people want. There comes a point where you become unfamiliar with who you are. The world is changing. We are in transition spiritually. But God will remove anything and anyone who is standing in between us being reconciled to Him. They've lost everything. They have left Egypt to rediscover themselves by reconnecting with God. I asked God to deliver me from this bondage. And now when God sends a deliverer, I'm fighting him tooth and nail and asking him, are there no graves in Egypt? But you got 1 foot in Egypt and you got 1 foot on the promises of God. This faith erodes when you don't teach your children. These are the children of Abraham. God is intent on bringing you into relationship with Him. Then they said to Moses, because there were no graves in Egypt, have you taken us away to die in the wilderness? Those are my 2 choices. Because time determines our awareness. God is pre-existent of time. That's why in the book of Genesis, it says, in the beginning, God. I want you to understand that so that you can understand that time limits your perspective. I think differently at this age than I did 10 years ago. I think differently at 50 than I did at 40. I think differently at 40 than I did at 20. So it's not good to make permanent decisions with temporary information. I'm gonna say that again for the people in the back. Some of you are making permanent decisions with temporary information. How you feel about it now may not be how you feel about it in 20 years.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the Renault Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice. They told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowin' where you are?
Let's cruise in the night, I'm grooving it. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your
Some
flow.
threw off the time, check my notifications. It wasn't love we was prepping for, but was something adjacent. I can't be wasting lines, I'm meant for something to say in a time where everything vague and the in-between is not what it made out to seem. Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't taunting you. I just thought it ought to be what I was supposed to do, else I wasn't approaching you. I put my heart on your sleeve, wore like a brooch to you, and all in all the outcome would be what it would be. You took a chance, I took the lead. We shook as sheets, advanced and did the deed. Don't blame it on me, we grown, it's a natural
Let's
thing.
cruise in the night, I'm grooving it. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your flow.
purposed his mother to hide him for 3 months in a tent, a slave woman, a little raggedy hut. How do you hide a baby in a hut from a trained, experienced soldier? But when God gets ready to hide you, he'll hide you. He'll hide your greatness. He'll hide your anointing. He'll hide your gift. He'll hide your talent. Sometimes God didn't mean for you to be exposed. He didn't mean for you to get the job. He didn't mean for them to recognize you. Had they recognized you, they would have killed you. So stop crying about who didn't recognize your gift. God hid your gift to protect you. So God puts in in the ark and lets him float down the Nile. You know the story. And he lands in the arms of Pharaoh's daughter. And he's raised in the house of his enemies. Because for what God is going to do in his life, he cannot think like a slave.